In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made these music videos and how you can create them yourself using the newest AI tools available. We have just entered a revolutionary moment in history where each of us producers or musicians can output their exact vision from their minds, not only into music but to visuals. An area that's been locked for us or gatekept behind a required skill, a need to put a ton of time and effort into crafting visuals or needing to hire someone has been just unlocked, and we can create amazing videos within just minutes with so little effort and with such a pleasant and exciting experience of doing so. I've been waiting for the release of these tools for such a long time, and it's finally happening. I've been dying to be able to create my own music videos, mainly canvas for my songs, and have it be exactly my way. And it's such a big deal because a proper canvas adds up to the song, making it way more fun, interesting, and immersive to listen to. It's an experience you can only create when perfectly matching music and visuals together. This is how we'll do it. We'll need a few tools. Some of them are paid, some can be used for free. Our main guest is newly released Sora AI, which comes with a minimum $20 ChatGPT subscription, which will generate videos for us. We'll need ChatGPT as well to help us write proper prompts so that we get great results. And the last tool is CapCut, which you can use for free, but you'll miss out on amazing features like effects, animations, and video upscaling, which we'll very much need. So that will be plus around $12, leaving you at a total of $32, which is an amazing deal for a month of unlimited video production. Once we have the tools after you pick the song, the first thing we'll need is a proper prompt. Sora doesn't work well with simple and short prompts, but totally kills it when you give it long, detailed, and complex descriptions. You can write them yourself, but why waste time and effort? Just go to ChatGPT and describe what you want your video to look like and let it generate a long prompt for you to then copy and paste into Sora. That's one way of getting good prompts. Another one is if you're making canvas for an already existing song, just take an artwork of it, tell ChatGPT to describe it and make a detailed and complex prompt for Sora. Say how you want it to be, that's how you'll get a matching vibe for your song, then copy paste it into Sora. So you've got a nice prompt, now you'll have to test it. Since you are most likely on a $20 plan and not on a $200 per month plan, here are the best settings. Set the generations to 480p, that will allow you to go for 10-second videos and not 5, which will be better for 8-second canvas and for 4 variations instead of 2. Then set up what aspect ratio you want. We'll go for vertical since it's for canvas, and hit generate. Cooking. The cooking time usually is around a minute or 2, which is really fast. At the beginning you'll have credits for fast cues, but they will get wiped out pretty quickly. Don't worry about that because even with 0 credits you will be able to keep cooking one prompt at a time in a relaxed queue with similar wait times as I am right now. Check the videos. Now this part is all about scrubbing through the videos and finding moments that catch your attention, that blow your mind, that look amazing, aesthetically pleasing, clean, and with no noticeable errors. Download those videos. Repeat that process as many times as you need to get a lot of content that then you'll put together in CapCut. If after a few tries you're still not getting what you're looking for or the videos don't follow your vision, don't tweak the prompt yourself. Go back to ChatGPT and explain it how you want things to look like, what it needs to change, correct, and try a new prompt it gives you. Now once you've got the material, jump into CapCut and upload your song. You can skip this step and do it without a song, but it's helpful to have it there. Tap on the song and hit beats. Let CapCut figure out where the beats are. This will help your clips to stick to every beat change to keep things in sync so it hits better. Now, don't use the normal timeline because it always shoves the clips to the left and it'll mess up the clip positioning. Instantly jump to the overlay mode and add videos there. This will allow you to position clips wherever you want without them moving. You can still add effects, animations, and when you're done with the clips arrangement, make all clips go to the main timeline to add transitions. There's a ton of cool effects, which is what's going to make your video so much more interesting, dynamic, and polished visually. You can layer 2 effects at once, one on the clip and one as an adjustment layer. There are animations, filters, and adjustments that will help you get your video to look amazing and will also help you cover imperfections that the AI tends to make. Now, you can definitely generate higher resolution shorter videos, and if you're on a higher plan, I don't see why you wouldn't go for max resolution and max length, but 480p is savable because CapCut has a built-in upscaling feature. Do this after the whole video is done. Go to every single clip and upscale it up to 4K. It will make it look as if it actually was generated at a higher resolution, with it actually being 480p by default. Export the video, go to Spotify for Artists, and upload the canvas. That's it! Let Spotify cook for an hour or 2 before it appears on Spotify, but if you want to preview what it looks like early on, you can open Songs Post mode and see it there almost instantly. So that's what the process looks like, ladies and gentlemen. It's so amazing that we can now generate our own videos without having to learn any software, spend time and effort creating visuals, or having to work with someone, which can also be tiring and can lead to our vision not being exactly how we want it. With tools like Sora, we have such a big pool of options to choose from, so we can find exactly what we are looking for, with generation times being around 1 to 2 minutes instead of weeks or months for one video. That's diabolical. Keep in mind that maybe current AI tools have imperfections. It's only a beginning. In a year or two, we'll get video generators that are indistinguishable from actual renders. We will have studios and tools that will help us output exactly what we have in our minds into videos. So that's it from me. I hope this helps you create awesome videos for your own songs and allows you to turn your ideas into reality. Are you as excited and happy as I am? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, and see you soon. This video has been brought to you by Oversampled.us, premium sample and preset packs. Sound selection is very important, and we always aim at creating the highest quality sounds possible to help you make professional songs in as easy as drag and drop way with no extra processing needed. We're offering sounds in many different genres. Our most loved packs are the Ultimate Future Bass Toolkit, Cyberpack, Polychrome, and Super Heavy Drums. If you want to sound like your favorite artists, we have packs like Volcano, Castles, Portify, and Resurrection. And if you're in need of quality drums for your songs, don't look any further than our Super Heavy collection with over 2,800 samples in total if purchased in a bundle that will cover all your drum needs. Our most recent pack is sound enhancers, including lots of ear candies, fillers, layers, and more, all to make your songs more interesting. Visit oversampled.us and get sounds that'll make you a better producer.